One of the causal factors of workplace injuries, illnesses, and incidents is the failure to identify or recognize hazards that are present, or that could have been anticipated. A critical element of any effective safety and health program is a proactive, ongoing process to identify and assess such hazards.
So our approach to risk assessment and hazard identification it's a multi-layered approach from a program or project level to a job-specific level to a task functional level, if you will. So we have at least 3 layers of risk assessment in our operations. When you look at the different levels of or layers of risk assessments that we have, it's all done by different people, right? Some by safety professionals, some by frontline craftsmen, some by management. And so what we get with that is we get different perspectives, and everybody has a different perspective on risks. So the more perceptions of risks that we get, the better risk managers we become as a company.
Hazard recognition and identification training can be an effective way to prevent workplace injuries and illnesses.
But what we have found through that task hazard assessment process is the employee empowerment process that we get through that. Employees at the front line that are actually turning the wrench, doing the work, they know what the risks are, they know what the hazards are, they know how to best control those hazards. Training is absolutely key because as I stated before, everybody's perceptions on risk are not the same. And the absolute training, the full workforce on that, so they understand that, the risk assessment process, but also increase their perception of risk is absolutely critical. And then finally, I would say organizationally, having our culture, our safety culture and overall organizational culture really centered on it. And it truly is at Amendum, and that's where the value becomes.
This video is one of several OSHA provides on core elements of a workplace safety and health program. Visit OSHA.gov to find out more information on how safety and health programs can help make safety a core value.